ki runga waira, ki raro waira, ki ngā taha e rua. Ka hura te tangata ki tai, atura kina ki te tangata ki uta. Ka hura te tangata ki uta, atura kina ki te tangata ki tai. Awera hoki rā i te kōrepe, nui te kōrepe, ro te wāhi awa te toitoi awa.
Kia ora, I'm Raj, I'm a teacher at Fairfield College and I'm part of the Fairfield College Māori Arts Program. What we're aiming to do at Fairfield College is to make Māori art an accessible art form that our students and our young people can interact with in a positive way.
That's cool.
Take it off, bro.
Boom!
I've learned a lot in this class. I've learned how to do cleaner cuts and how to get this kind of shape.
I've been an artist in residence here at Fairfield College for the past 6 months, and watching the kids working in the Māori art, Māori carving class from year 10 through to year 12, 13 has been a bit of a privilege. I've seen their attitudes towards Māori art and their engagement in it slowly change and develop from where they were a little bit hesitant or reluctant to do it because they'd never been exposed to it before. And doing this course for them has been one way of normalising Māori art within their community, seeing that those carvings at the school meeting house, Aratiatia, have a meaning that they can connect with, that they can develop a story from that has meaning and relevance to them in their everyday lives. Coming towards the end of the year, those kids who were hesitant are now starting to take ownership of their artwork and their art practice.
We've got an exciting opportunity to look forward into the future to provide opportunities for our students to develop an appreciation and a skill level in regards to Māori art.
Turuki, paneke, panek. Turuki, paneke, panek. Harawai te tōku. Haume, hui